the chairperson of the Girmit Committee, our religious leaders, the chairman of the Girmit Council, Mr. Selvanathan, distinguished guests, members of the Diplomatic Corps, peers of our ministry, Mr. Yogesh Karan, ladies and gentlemen, and those watching the program through the digital platform in Fiji and abroad. Welcome to the second day of the festivities of 2024 of the Girmit commemoration, and I'm sure you are all enjoying the beautiful atmosphere of the Girmit Mela with food, music, entertainment, and various exhibitions. I like to say one thing, that in politics, if you do something, you'll be criticized. If you don't do something, you'll still be criticized. So we are doing it to be criticized. Because when I see in the social media today, our opponents are giving some very wrong information to say that we will spend $500,000 in celebrating the Girmit celebration. We've only budgeted $250,000 for this particular event for the last 3 days for Lambasa and Suba. And I think it's about time for oppositions to start telling the truth to this country. When Girmit people were not recognized, it was our Prime Minister, Honorable Mr. Mbuka, and his coalition said, look, it is time to recognize our Girmits. And therefore, the cabinet and the government agreed to a public holiday and to recognize and commemorate the hardship our Girmits went through and where our country's economy is thriving because the sugar industry was part and parcel of this particular Girmit era. Now, I was in Mauritius and it was surprising when I met the Prime Minister of Mauritius, and he told me that Girmit celebration, Girmit public holiday was declared in Mauritius some 25, 30 years ago. And of course, you know the history of Mauritius, Fiji, Trinidad, British Guyana, the slavery and the Girmiters history has been attached. And not only that, in Mauritius they have a public holiday, but they have a museum, established a museum called Girmit Ghat. So, and whoever goes, and it's a very popular museum there. And for that reason, our government also has made a commitment that we will establish a Girmit museum behind this building, which will be coming up. And of course, I believe with the assistance of the Indian government, there is some commitment made by the Chief Minister, where our Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Honorable Biman Prasad went. So we'll have a Girmit museum, which will be a permanent place for people to come and visit. And of course, we'll bring in more historical things that can be placed there. And it'll become a tourist attraction. Not only that, also we will have a replica of the Ram Mandir of India, where the Ram Mandir was established. So it'll be a replica on a smaller scale, but there'll be a Ram Mandir there. And of course, there'll be a statue of Mahatma Gandhi. So these are all the plans which is coming up from our government side. And I must acknowledge our Indian High Commissioner who's here. He'll be very much pushing these projects with us. Today also marks another important day on our calendar for all our mothers, and I wish you a happy Mother's Day. You are our strength, inspiration, and hope. At this juncture, let me first acknowledge the dedication and commitment given by the 2024 Girmit Organizing Committee in planning, executing this year's national celebration in Lautoka. In saying this, I'm very appreciative, again once to the chairperson of the Girmit 2024 Council Committee, Honorable Shashi Kiran. May I appreciate and let's give applause. Assistant Minister for Women, Children and Social Protection for her leadership is very much appreciated in preparation towards leading up to this event. I also pay a tribute to the Lautoka Girmit Working Committee led by Mr. Selvanathan for his contribution towards this event. I know a lot of effort has been put up by you all to ensure that everything was in order for this event to commence, and I'm really proud of your time, commitment, and efforts. Girmit commemoration has a lot of significance. It is a time to remember and commemorate the sufferings that our forefathers went through, a time to reflect on the past, ensuring that their struggles and sacrifices are not forgotten. It is more a collection of memories for some and for others on the other hand. Girmit commemoration is a time to move on from the past and think for the future. For them, the Girmit is a part of their lives, and they will keep a moment in the history and a march on the archive, achieve greater heights and make a name for themselves, their family members, and the nation. I believe the best way to commemorate Girmit is to recollect its significance and how it was allowed us to contribute to our personal and professional growth and to the development of our beloved nation.